Hello, good day, ma'am. My name is Angelo Mon Empadrina from MK32. So today I'm going to make a vlog about the most influential person that made an impact in my life until now. Okay, this now, Spider-Man. The Tobey Maguire Spider-Man. So why Tobey Maguire Spider-Man? Because when I was a kid, kept watching him was being a Spider-Man as a responsibilities. Like it's like he must do everything all he can. First is college life. Okay, college life, being a student, it's like me. Second is I think four. I think. Second is having a personal problems like girlfriend, family, being alone, no parents. But not in my case. I have a parents, but sometimes being alone. Yeah. The third is hustling. Yeah, he's doing some extra to gain more money or income when he's still studying at working student. Me personally, I do some hustling, but I don't do working student like 9 to 5 job. I do some selling like that related to marketing, selling, buying and selling, like investing, and then you gotta resell it. Okay. The last one is doing your passion. For him, he saved a lot of people. Being a Spider-Man, that's his passion. But for me, my passion is and my dream is to play at a professional level of basketball. That's why I kept balancing it all, just like he did, keeping it balanced. Okay, that's the basic explanation. So, thank you for listening, ma'am. I hope you understand my story. The most person that influenced my life until today. Thank you.